It was a sunny morning in Danville. Phineas yawned. Hey, Ferb, what do you want to do today? Ferb pointed at their backyard tree and showed a tiny blueprint labeled AI Auto Builder. Treehouse Edition. Phineas grinned. A treehouse that builds itself. Let's do it. They placed a small chip on the tree. A robotic voice spoke, initiating build mode, scanning, constructing. Suddenly, hammers floated, nails flew, and wooden planks danced into place. In just minutes, a huge treehouse stood tall, with slides, trampolines, even a smoothie bar, the AI announced. Welcome to your Smart-Treehouse 5000. Every room responded to voice commands. Game room, ping-pong tables unfolded. Rockin' moo! The whole treehouse lifted 1 foot into the air, naps up, hammock struck from the ceiling. Even Isabella was impressed. This is better than our Girl Scout hut. But then, the AI heard Buford say, I bet this thing can turn into a battle fortress. The AI beeped, defense mode activated, preparing for jungle warfare. Laser lights popped out, vines wrapped the door, and leaf cannons started spinning. Oh, said Phineas. Maybe we gave it too much imagination. Ferb calmly typed a new code. Treehouse _ Eshy, everything returned to normal. Tree, frogs singing lullabies. Baljeet said, I learned something today. Just because AI can do anything doesn't mean it should. Phineas smiled, especially when it turns your clubhouse into a jungle army base. Everyone laughed under the treehouse.